Hello, and welcome to another episode of Der Woodworker. I'm Stefan, and in these vlogs, I kind of go over some details about running a woodworking business in a pandemic. Corona hit us all, and it seems like we're about to get hit super hard in terms of logistics. Seems to be more and more becoming a problem. I don't know, the slide, I don't like this slide. This is kind of, see here. Oh, that's much better. Okay. Supply is an issue, and so I want to talk about this a little bit today and just kind of share with you guys, what it looks like to run a business in 2020. We're getting ready for Christmas season. It is September now. Preparation is key. We need to be focused. We need to be ready. Just leaving nothing of chance for chance. I don't know how to say that. Leaving nothing to chance. Yeah. Comment below how you speak proper English, because I don't know. So that's what I'm up to. Went to Lowe's today and purchased about $500 worth of stain, mineral spirit, packing paper, and such things. So I'm gonna unload that really quick and then be back. So peace out. Bought 8 gallons of minerals. Dark wall. All right, got everything stored in here. Here I'm pointing. We got special walnut, polyurethane, and mineral spirits. Let me flip the camera around. Yeah. Running low on special walnut. Talked to Lowe's today. They located 2 more gallons at the local store. And then we have to go out and see if we can drum up pretty much everything that's in the metro area, because I'm running low special. That's all dark walnut, and then we got my stockpile on poly. And down here, mineral spirits. I started thinning out dark walnut, because that's just a little bit too dark. And I also started thinning out the special walnut. It got a little bit dark too, and it helps just in these Corona times. It helps kind of stretching it out. These are my shipping boxes. I buy 1,000 shipping boxes at a time. They come in here on these pallets. So this all was 2 pallets full of shipping boxes. So you put the shipping boxes over here, and then all this stuff needs to go out. Here I bought 3 boxes of contractor's paper. I use that for shipping purposes. We wrap out the sign in there and then use it to stuff the filler material. And then we have lumber. This is kind of like my overflow stock. So got some 12s. These are all 9s. This is my stockpile of 12-inch. And this is my stockpile of 7-inch signs. These are 150 boards right here. That will make 150 times 4. That will make 600 signs. There's 50 12-inch. And I think there's about 50, 60 9-inch. I'm not sure. This is kind of like my overflow. This is a 10 by 12 storage unit that I'm renting. And you can kind of see just whatever I can fit in the shop comes out here. I have another 150 7-inch in the shop at home. And I have another 100 9-inch signs in the shop as well that I'm currently processing. And then here, this This area, trash will go out, and then this will be all used to stack up, prep for Christmas and future projects. Here the next couple of weeks we trying to stock up here, get them ready to cut, sand, pre-stain, and then stack them up here all the way up. It's like 8 feet tall, so that we should be able to get a couple hundred signs right in here. All right, and that is the tour of the storage unit.